Hello everyone, I received today this beautiful pocket watch from a friend, who asked me to find out why this pocket watch, which belonged to his father and has been sitting still for many years, stopped working. In this video, I'm going to diagnose the watch's condition and find out the reason behind its breakdown. This watch is a Helvetia fitted with a Unitas caliber. What do you think of it? Do you believe it's original or fake? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. From what I can see, the gear train has power and it reflects on the pallet fork. The problem is that there is no connection between the pallet fork and the balance wheel. I'm going to remove the balance assembly to investigate what is causing the issue. Here is the problem. The roller is not properly aligned. Apparently, the balance regulator needs to be correctly adjusted so that the roller jewel aligns with the pallet fork. As you can see, the roller jewel is now aligned. In this case, since the goal was only to diagnose the problem, I made the adjustment by eye. However, during the full service, This adjustment will need to be properly checked and fine-tuned. It has started running again. For now, I'll leave it as it is. Later, during the full service, I'll adjust the amplitude and beat error, as they are most likely not within the correct specifications. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't miss the full service video. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to be alerted whenever a new video is released.